You probably run across these on the road all the time, but have you ever seen how they're made?
Yojo Super Factory Tour!
Dongfeng Liuzhou Tire Assembly Challenge rules. Handle the tire into designated area and install the tire on the car. The engineer will check if it can pass engineering inspection or not, and he will give a success or fail.
They're securing it for me. Let's do it. Let's make a car, huh? And then I'll put it on. Do I need some? Like so? It's a little heavy, I'll be honest. Oh. Is it on? Hey, okay? Okay?
Yes!
Yes! I can fill the car! Yeah, man!
Give it to me. I thought No.
Fine, man.
Yeah.
It's your fault. Sorry, man. I didn't know. I really wanted to help you. It's my fault.
No,
Man, it's okay. Let's be this. Let's hold it together. Yeah. It's not that heavy. Oh my god. Oh man, finally we did it. Okay. Is this correct? Yeah. Okay.
Finally.
Yeah, man, it was difficult. Finally we did it.
Yeah,
Oh, it's heavy. Okay. We did it?
We did it!